how to get Kill Off Bean hack with Android. So right in this video guys, I will show you how to hack Kill Off Bean with Android. So I will show you the step-by-step guide everyone, so you can get your Kill Off Bean hack just like me guys. You see the hack weapon that I'm using in this game guys. Yes, so all I'm asking you for, just hit that like button so you can get your Kill Off Bean hack with Android. So hit that like button guys, hit that like button right now. So I'm waiting. As soon as I hit that like button guys, I will show you the full step. So right here guys, as you see, I am pointing the red arrow, so that show you all of the weapon unlock guys that I am switching now. See that red arrow? Yes everyone. So I can run through story level 1 with this Kill Off Bean hack. So you don't have to worry saying the other player is taking down your life very quick. This hack menu 100% work. So I'm going to show you in store that I own this weapon guys. The two arrow that I'm pointing, that means say you unlock it. You don't have to use your credit card and nothing like that guys. It's just a free website that unlock the weapon freely, so you can get it to play 100% working everyone. 100% working, so you can run through all the story them and have to complain say you're not going to download. So right here I am my mobile phone everyone. This is an Android phone that I'm using everyone. As you can see, Android phone. So you're going to go on Chrome's right now everyone. So I'm going to click on Chrome's. Yes, so Chrome's I'm in right now guys. So I'm going to type in Android one everyone. So type in one Android one. So type in that search bar ANDROID 1 Killer Bean. Yes guys, type in that in your Chrome now everyone. So if you have a next device, you can watch it while I'm putting this process so you can get the full details too. So you type in that now guys. The first link that you see, you're going to click on it. So the first link that you see, you're going to click on it everyone. Yes guys, this is the link that you're going to see. So you're going to click on it now everyone. So this is the link that you're going to see. So my red arrow pointing up there guys, so you're going to click on that Android one everyone. So you click on it now guys, you're going to see the website loading up guys. So I'm waiting on it to load up. So you're going to see Kill Off Bean come up like this guys. There is the first link that you see in Chrome. You're going to click on it when you type in. So you're going to click on the green button, download. Click on Killer Bean download. So you're going to click on it guys. Kill Off Bean download with that red arrow that I'm showing you guys. Yes, you're going to see like it loading up guys. You see 1 2 3. So the link is going to unlock now everyone. So right here now guys, you're going to click on download again. So I already download it guys, maybe your option you're going to see download. So you're going to click on details files up there. So now, so you click on detail files now, you see that you download from your file now everyone. So I'm going to speed up this process guys because my Wi-Fi is a little bit slow, so I'm going to speed up this process so you can see the next step that will come when I finish download this Kill Off Bean from my Chrome download page guys. So waiting on it to download, so my Wi-Fi is a little bit slow, that's why. So when you finish download, I'll show you everything that you need to download it guys. You see it's soon finished guys, soon finished. So this is the last part now guys, so we're going to show you this part now guys. They're going to click on the link guys. You see that red arrow that I'm pointing on, so you're going to click on it. Then you're going to see package downloader, package installer, sorry, you're going to see package installer guys. So you're going to click on the files back again guys, going to click on the file. So it's going to install from your file node, guys. Download it now. So I'm waiting on it to install to show you the next step, everyone. So you're going to click on done or open. Any option there you want to click on, you click on. So we're going to go finish install now, everyone. As I switch your weapon, guys, you're going to see say the weapon up, guys, 100% working, everyone. Yes, everyone, 100% working. This literally can help you unlock your kill off being weapon, guys. 100% working. So as you switch your weapon, you're going to see that it unlocks. So I show you a story that you see the weapon unlock on too, guys. So I'm going to go to in kill off being store. So as you can see, guys, own. So I own the two weapon them that I'm showing you, guys. So you unlock your weapon in Kill of Being Unleashed, guys. So if you have any question, you can leave it in my comment section. Come and tell me if it work or not, guys. So I can make a next video on this topic, guys, to show you how to minimally Kill of Being. Yes, guys, I have some millimeter act too. If you want millimeter act, you can check it out. So press the video on the screen to watch next.